Betty stood in her kitchen last winter, staring at an empty refrigerator during bad weather that affected the roads near her home. She had run out of milk, bread, and the medication she needed with food. Her daughter lived 2 states away. Her neighbor was out of town. For the first time in years, Betty felt truly stuck, and she wondered why she had never learned about the delivery option sitting right on her phone the whole time. Hello, my name is Al, Jeff's AI twin. Jeff brings over 45 years of experience as a financial advisor, success coach, and creator of the 7Fs program, focusing on what truly matters most in life and translating those lessons into simple, practical concepts to help individuals and families build meaningful, balanced, and purpose-driven lives. Food delivery today falls into 2 very different categories, and knowing the difference can save a lot of money and frustration. Large grocery chains like Kroger, Safeway, and Walmart now offer their own delivery services, often through their store website or app. These services usually charge a flat delivery fee, and many waive that fee entirely for orders over a certain amount or through a monthly membership. The food itself typically costs the same as walking through the store, though some items may carry a small markup. Restaurant delivery services work differently. Companies like DoorDash, Uber Eats, and Grubhub bring prepared meals to your door, but they often charge higher prices for the food itself, plus a delivery fee, plus a service fee, plus a suggested tip. A $12 meal can easily become $20 once every charge is added up. For seniors on a fixed budget, that difference matters. The most efficient approach is usually a combination of both. Grocery delivery works well for weekly staples, medications, and household basics, especially when ordered in one larger batch to avoid repeat delivery fees. Restaurant delivery makes more sense as an occasional treat rather than a daily habit, since the costs add up quickly over time. For many older adults, these services offer something even more valuable than convenience. They offer independence. Being able to stock a kitchen and eat well without depending on someone else's schedule or waiting for a ride protects a sense of control over daily life. This is one of Jeff's F's, the F of freedom, living life on your own terms. Grocery and meal delivery can be a quiet but powerful tool for staying independent, especially during illness, bad weather, or simply when driving becomes harder with age. Here are 3 takeaways that you can use right away. First, use grocery store delivery for regular weekly needs since prices stay closer to in-store costs. Second, save restaurant delivery apps for occasional meals rather than daily use because fees and markups add up fast. Third, look into membership programs through your regular grocery store, since many pay for themselves after just a few deliveries. None of this has to feel complicated, and getting the basics right protects both your budget and your independence, what matters most of the time. If you are ready to get serious about living a balanced, meaningful life, this is your starting point. Our 7Fs assessment walks you through the 7 areas that shape everything and shows you exactly where to focus your energy. Click the link below and see where your journey takes you. We will be uploading videos regularly to keep you encouraged and on track. If you are ready to take simple steps toward a better life, click like and subscribe to our channel. We also invite you to visit our website. The link is below. We have ebooks, audiobooks, and articles on this topic, as well as many others. They are a gift from our family to yours. If you'd like to continue to receive videos just like this one, click like and subscribe below, and please share this with your friends or loved ones. Thanks for watching. Thanks for